If you drive your Tacoma off-road, you know that the long wheelbase makes your breakover angle bad. So every inch that you can get to clear these obstacles is well worth the investment. If you know me, then you know I like pushing my Tacoma as hard as I can on off-road situations. But sometimes I pick the wrong line and end up making costly mistakes. In order to minimize the effects of those mistakes, I decided to go with a Stihl CBI Overland skid plate. I really like these skid plates. The only problem is that there's a 3 to 4 inch cutout for the exhaust that hangs below the Toyota Tacoma. I would always hit this one part on a rock or high center at that point. And since I was thinking about rerouting my exhaust anyway, I decided to remove the old OEM exhaust and replace it with a R4T High-Clearance exhaust. Only thing left to do was to find a local shop and do an exhaust reroute. Out with the old and in with the new. And as you can tell here, the exhaust was rerouted behind the transmission. Now it's time to take it on the road and see what it really sounds like. Some other modifications I have that might affect the sound is Overland Taylor Tune by Venture 4x4 here in Virginia. Also, I have a cold air intake by Injen. And lastly, I have a goose gear rear seat delete, so it might sound a little bit louder inside the cab. My friends and I are driving down Castle Valley in Moab, Utah, going approximately 35 to 45 miles per hour. Also, my windows are down, so you might hear some wind